Good day, my dear students. Today I am going to give you a brief presentation, orientation on the course DLE 601 seminars in educational philosophy, educational systems, and education psychology. First, let's look at the course description. This course presents the concepts, principles, development, and theories in philosophy, educational philosophy, systems approach in education, psychology, and with the emphasis on application of psychology, philosophy, system to educational administration and management. The emphasis is to make use of what you have learned to set up a school or college. And in this course, you will be assigned to establish or set up a virtual school or colleges. Now, after you have learned the course description, then we will present you the objectives of this course. There are 4 objectives. First is to provide knowledge and experiences on concepts and the application of educational philosophy to educational administration. The second objective is to provide knowledge and experiences on concepts, principles, theories on various types of systems, system approach, and the application to educational administration. The objective is to provide knowledge and experiences on concepts, principles, theories on various types of psychology, education psychology, and its application to educational administration. Objective number 4, to apply the Oriental philosophy, systems, and psychology to education administration in specifically establishing a virtual school or virtual colleges. Now, let's have a look at list of course units or content. During the 8 weeks you're with us, there will be 8 units. Unit number 1, which is today, will be course orientation and seminars and planning on education philosophy. Then number 2 will be giving emphasis on philosophy, educational philosophy, and educational administration psychology. That will be week 2 and week 3. Week 4 will be given emphasis on systems, education system, and then week 5 will be seminar in education administration system. Week number 6 will be seminar in psychology and educational psychology. The last 2 weeks will be working on setting up a virtual college or virtual school, which you will be divided into groups of 4 or 5 students, and then set up your virtual school or colleges. If you are teachers in school, you are advised to set up a virtual school. But if you are university instructors, university teachers, we advise you to set up virtual colleges. Now, after you have known the content of the units for the 8 weeks, I will give you what you are expected to do. Call it studying task or ST. Of course, at this moment, you are now attending course orientation presented by me, Professor Chayong Brahmawong Sơn Chayong Kyoso, to give you the overview of the course. What should be the media and method used in this course? This course is conducted on EBA, experience-based approach, whereas the students and the instructors mutually help plan, prepare, conduct, and evaluate the course. Not only the instructor evaluate the students, but the students themselves need to help evaluate each other also. Okay. So the activities for you to do is self-introduction by the student and instructors. After this, Professor Suthida will lead you to introduce each of you. Then the orientation of the course which you are doing now. Number 3 will be group work planning and preparation of the specific task you to do. This is the first day, so you will be given the concept and principle in philosophy. Okay. At the end of the course, there will be some kind of evaluation. Okay. The evaluation or the assessment will be individual and group works. So each of you will help evaluate each other. Second, we give you the score on the so-called PCR evaluation based on participation, P, contribution, C, and results, R. Okay. So that all of you will have to be actively involved in all activities, not just to sit down and look at your tablet or your mobile phone. No. You have to give your mind, your attention to what we are doing. Number 3 will be peer evaluation. Each of you will have to evaluate yourself and another. Instructor evaluation. I and Professor Suthida will help evaluate you from what you are doing during the class in this Google Classroom meeting, the work you have presented to us. The last one is self-evaluation. We will ask you what should be the outcome or the grade that you want to have after this. So far we have learned course objectives, course description, course objectives, and various media methods and evaluation. So now I will give you a brief session plan. Session plan, it means the plan that you have to do, comprising topics, objectives, study tasks, media and method, and assessment for this one. Now I have already explained to you what should be the expectation there will be no examinations written unless your group work of the virtual school or virtual college with the constitution, education system, and the performance, behavioral analytics, behavioral regulation. If they are not good enough, we will ask you to take written exam. Otherwise, there will be no written examination. Okay, so for now, this is the end of my orientation, and you will be in the care of Professor Suthida after this, and welcome again to the course DLE 601, and I hope you enjoy your studying and take good care and be away from the virus COVID-19, and see you again sometime in the very near future. Goodbye. Thank you very much, my dear students. Bye.